Hi, about a month ago, I told you that Canva would be rolling out some new motion apps, and I finally received them. This week's Canva Quick Tip is going to be what they are and how you can use them. Let's go over to my screen and take a look. I put up a quick Instagram post and added some of our Be Your Own Graphic Designer Halloween images. And the only thing I've done on this is added a line to make a cobweb that the spider is hanging from. Now, to animate this, you need to click on the post, then click on Animate, and you have two options. You have Page Animations or Elements Animations, and I just want to animate the individual elements. As you know, with animation, I now could create my own animation, or I can use one of the many animations that Canva has already as standard, which are all fantastic. And Driftlets might which look as though she's flying across the page. But these are the ones I want to look at, and these are the motion effects. And there are 4 new ones: rotate, flicker, pulse, and wiggle. Let's look at rotate. This turns my witch into all sorts of angles. And if you click on it, you'll see the additional things that you can do. You can rotate it to the left or to the right, and I can vary the speed. This is the flicker animation. Again, I can vary the speed that it's flickering at to make it slower or faster. Let's remove that one. And then we can have pulse. And you could increase the intensity of the pulse too. Your figure gets bigger or smaller and faster. So let's move that back to the middle and remove that. While we try the final one, which is a wiggle. And again, change the intensity of this. It looks as though she's getting caught in the wind on her broomstick here. These are all really fun effects to try. Let's try them on my frog. Again, go down to motion effects, so you can rotate him. We can have him flickering and rotating. You can do both if you want. And we can have the pulsing too. Now he's flickering, rotating, and pulsing. And then we can give him a little wiggle as well. I think that's too much for him. Let's remove that. And I'm going to remove all the animations. You need to click back on them to remove them. And then for a spider, I just thought I'd try him with a wiggle. I think I'm just going to delete my line. These are really simple and really fun to do and very easy to use. You can use these if you have a free account. They're not a pro feature. It makes it really easy for anyone to add these motion effects to their photos. If you want to use any of the Be Your Own Graphic Designer characters, you simply go to Elements, search BYOGD, and this is Halloween, and you can find them there. I hope that helps, and I'll see you next week.